Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to remove the front bumper on your Infiniti Q50. First, open the hood and carefully remove the plastic cover that sits above the grille. You will find about 8 to 10 plastic clips holding it in place. Use a flathead screwdriver or a trim removal tool to pop them out. After that, locate and remove the two 10mm bolts positioned near the headlights on the top corners. Next, for safety and ease of access, it is highly recommended to raise the front of your vehicle using a jack and jack stands or drive it onto ramps. Once you are safely underneath, you will find approximately 10 10mm bolts running along the bottom edge of the bumper. Use a 10mm socket wrench to remove all of these fasteners completely. Double-check that no bolts remain before moving to the next step. Now, turn your front wheels fully to one side to access the fender liner. You will need to remove a few plastic clips and one 10mm bolt located inside the wheel well, connecting the bumper to the fender. Once these are out, gently pull the fender liner back to expose the bumper's attachment point. Repeat this process on the opposite side of the vehicle to ensure both sides are free. With all bolts and clips removed, the bumper should now be loose. Carefully pull the bumper straight forward, starting from the sides, to disengage any remaining hidden clips. As you pull it away, remember to disconnect any electrical connectors for components like fog lights or parking sensors. Have a soft blanket or cardboard ready on the ground to place the bumper on, preventing any scratches or damage during removal and reinstallation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.